We'll guide you through how to play Please Donate in Roblox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Please Donate is a really cool game on Roblox. Essentially, it allows you to go and donate and receive donations of Robux. So therefore, you can go and get Robux if you don't have any. We'll guide you through how you can go and play it. So just to get started, if you wish to donate to other people, what you need to do is come up to a stand here, go and choose the amount you want to donate, and you can go and click on it. And then what you need to do is go and buy it. So you'd go and donate 5 Robux in this case. I don't have that, so I need to go and buy it beforehand, but you can go and donate it. Now, in order to go and start receiving donations, we'll guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is you need to come up to an unclaimed stand, as you can see here, and then you can hold E or click here to go and claim it like this. Now, as you can see, it's offering a tutorial, but we'll guide you through this. So I'll go and press no here. We've now claimed it. I've got no donation buttons, meaning I can't get donations yet. We'll guide you through adding them. If you go and hold E again, you can start editing the booth. So you can go and choose the booth, press edit to the right, and you can go and choose the design. I need to go and get more here. Then you can go and choose what it says at the top here. So I can go and make this GuideRealm. You could put something like donate or whatever you want. Then I'll come and press close and it'll go and update. You can go and choose the font. There are these different options. I like Legacy though. You can go and choose the color here, click on it, and you could go and make it a bit brighter or whatever. You can add a stroke to go and make it pop out as well. And you can go and increase the opacity here to go and make it more bold. And you can choose if you want to use rich text as well, which I will, and that's it. So I'll go and close this. So there it is. We now have a stand, but we want to get some donation buttons. So to do this, we're going to come out of Roblox and you need to go and head to the Roblox site. I'll go and close it like so. To come to roblox.com as I've done here. So for this to go and work, essentially we're selling something on Roblox. So what we're going to do here is go and put stuff on for sale and that will then go and add donation buttons. We'll guide you through how this can be done for free. So what you need to do is go to the top of Roblox. There you'll find the option for create. If you get taken to a different page, just make sure you type in create.roblox.com and you'll be here. Now come over to the left and you want to go and press creations and come into experiences and everybody's going to have an experience here with their name and place. So you can go and click on that and here we are. You can see some information about it here. It doesn't matter though. What you want to do is come down on the left and go and find the option for passes in monetization and you can go and click there. And then what we need to do is we need to go and create a pass. So click here. Optionally, you can go and add an image at the top. This can go make it stand out because people can go and see the pass they're going to be buying and therefore donating. So you can make it cool. Otherwise, you can go and give it a name. So I'm going to go and type in magic pass, but you can go and type in whatever you want. Add a description if you want, and then when you're ready, you can go and press create pass. Go and wait, and it'll be added here. You're going to go and see I've got some different passes here, but you're wondering why aren't these showing up? It's because they're not for sale. So to go and put them on sale and therefore add the donation button, go and click on it, go to the left and press sales and switch on item for sale. Type in the amount here. This is going to be the amount of the donation button. So just consider that. So if I add 10 Robux here, it's going to go and be 10 on my stand. It's important to know there is a Roblox tax, which will go and take 30% as well. So I'd only keep 7 Robux out of that. Then you can press save changes like that. And what you can then do is you can press back and you can go make more passes and put them on sale. I've got one here already. I'll come to sales. And for this one, I may want to make it 50. Once again, remember the tax, press save changes. Now let's come and return to Roblox and I'll go and show you the buttons on the stand. Here we are back in Please Donate. Now what you want to do is come up to an unclaimed stand once again and we can go and claim it and you're going to go and see we've now got the donation buttons here. So we can go and start receiving donations. Just remember the Robux will go and be pending when you go and get a donation. So therefore you won't be able to access it immediately. You just need to go and wait and then it'll be moved to your balance when it's completed. This does vary and we've got a video on the different time frames. So you will just need to be patient. But that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.